See, my people, Jamaicans everywhere always a hustle, my people. Always a hustle. I don't know if you want to see something on camera. Big up, shout out yourself on thing, shout out to Instagram. See, them don't want to shout out them thing, people. Them shy over here, no people. But they have every little thing same way. And I say, your fresh coconut, your fresh jelly water, my people. Wish you have some rum in it. Probably have some rum in your back, you know, can enjoy upon it, you know.
Yeah, man.
But,
do
yeah,
think
man.
on the side. Do think on the side.
You know?
Have a little rum in the corner too.
Just like if you're there Jamaica, my people.
Just
With us,
like
you know?
Jamaica, man.
See, she a Jamaican too, you know, my people.
Real Jamaican.
Okay,
Alright.
and she there right here, so still I do look hustling just to show you.
Coconut.
See, alright, my people.
Coconut.
Yeah,
Respect.
right. So yes, my people, we're there everywhere around our world, still a hustle and I make it work. Bless up. Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. You don't know it's your boy 416-876 Jamaica, and I also want to thank everybody who keep liking up the videos them, keep sharing the videos them, keep subscribing to the channel, and let me know what I go on in the comment section. Right, my people? So right now, people, we're up on a different style of vlogging today. You know. Today we are do a walk by of the Scarborough Bluffs Park / beach. Alright, and this is for the people who leave Canada a long time. I left Scarborough, Toronto a long time. I'm seeing back the parks or the beaches, so and the malls and the, you know, them type of video there will be on this channel also. Alright, my people, let me say the house videos them up on a hold right now, but them soon come through, and when them come in, you will get it. Alright, my people, so right now I will go on a tour at the Scarborough Bluffs, and they have two sides of it, you know, my people. Alright, so I don't want really holding up, you know. I'm making it go and see it while I walk and we are talk, see you. So this is what the Scarborough Bluffs looks like. Like I say, people, it look like it a go rain. So be a seagull and them stuff here today. People, the Scarborough Bluffs, I wish for only for people just come and chill out in a hot summer evening and a hot summer day. You understand? This is the spot to be 90% of the time when you don't have anything to do with your time. So if you're not at work or anything, you're not do nothing, you just the home. Yeah, man, at the Scarborough Bluffs, everybody reach, man. Nah, I lie to you. Right over here, so everybody always there. How beautiful it is, my people. Yeah, man. I'm going to show you a part. It's part a lot of movie shoot too, you know, down here. See, are them things that me that talk about in a couple of the videos them. Me I say, me that love if Jamaica would have a lot of nice parks like these for people to just come through and tour. Alright? So me do them video, you know, for up here, so if anybody who come on vacation over here in Toronto and want to see different spots and say, yo, let me see that video there. They do a nice video upon the place there, you know. So it looks now, my people. It's like the waterfront skyline of the bluffs. I don't know what they down there if a fish so much here catch. But one I never want to catch fish in this lake water here, so no sir. This is called Ontario Lake right here. I think it's one of the biggest lake in Canada. Too far the lake you run, you know, my people. Nah, I lie to you. But them have clean parts, them have dirty parts. So all depends on where you want to go swim in this water here. But me nah go swim in it. Me sorry. No. People know I'm going to walk go down there and show you. Alright, people, forward. We are going to walk go down there. You know what, people now walk go down the side there, you know, because alright, them have an opening. So I can walk go down there and show you.
I don't think baby steps. But I'll be there.
Like I'm saying to my people, every vlog here, it's not for everyone. Because people love to bash me about a lot of stuff. See, the water not too bad, you know, my people. The water look clean today. Like you can go swim, but as soon as you walk go up in night, my people, all the mercury, the morass, the dirty seaweeds, them, all of them, they just take on your body right away, you know. So see, if it was clean like that all the way long, people, more have no problem at swimming night, you know. No problem. But all of them things they like, you know, sir, they dirty. So me not involved in all that. Please tell me there's a next walkway back up. Because don't know my alcohol leg then tired, you know. But yeah, man, my people, you know, just go and check it out, man. The video probably gonna be a long vlog, but it's a walk by. What we say we are do? It's a walk by for sure, no. The parks. Alright. So it's not gonna be a long walk around this side, cause we have this park have a two part, you know. This is more the park, and you also have a man-made beach. Cause them call it beach, you know, people, but it's a big lake we live in, you know. So I go walk around, showing this place, seeing way. Over there, so we see the mountain side there. I go walk over there to see them way. And showing over there, so look also a whole heap of movies shoot over there. Even the man, Aston Power, gold in a gold mine. He all him shoot over here, so too. Couple of movies them well. Them shoot here. Yeah man, my people. Like I said, the film industry work fine, you know. So we know when a lot of stuff are going on. So I try going a quick one before the rain come down for me. And before me get a parking ticket, because them vital. Over here, so the parking ticket to them and people. Wicked man. But that's a show now the place looking at my people. Long stretch around. I go try to walk on the next side, for go around the next side to exit out. So yeah man, my people, so I say the Scarborough Park, man, Bluffs Park in Scarborough, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. So if you come here and just want to chill out, you know, want to see the park life and different places you can go do your barbecues and stuff like that. Now summertime, a whole heap of Jamaican people come down here, so, and have the little private barbecues and cook out and, you know, play them, string up them sound system and play at the park, you know. Them used to have a big one back in the days, but I think a shooting happened right over there, so, and them have to stop it. Same, so one day at Thompson Park shooting happen again. Jamaicans, come on man. Is that everywhere? I don't go. I don't just make a bad name for yourself. And see, and the majority of Jamaicans, them, you know, are the 1 and 2, you know. But then just make it give us a bad name and then just want to stop everything. Just like that, because but we don't understand how the thing said long time still. Right? But we not watch no face. Still a cut and go through. So look now my people. Nice. People may have a boat, you know, may that be nice, you know, cause them say you can't even catch salmon. We out so in the middle of the lake, nice salmon fish. Them say you can't go out there and catch still, you know. They think them salmon they get away from up at the Montreal, because the lake connect to the French Canal. Right? If you know about the French Canal, that in Quebec. Yeah man. No, we are talking about, you know, people come drive down them river stream already, you know. I don't know me a tour boy. Yeah man. So look like it a rain it a set up. But look like it now but rain. So people are up on them date. They might enjoy the nice outdoor summer right now. And you should do the same too. Enjoy the good time Father God give us. So the place looking at my people. Probably have to brighten it up in post. But I don't want to do so much work. So just up on a walk again, there's eating people. You know? Look a couple of do them thing. Enjoying the summer. So you guys enjoying a little summertime, eh? Now bless up, bless up. See, everybody just try enjoy the good time when we get outside, you know, people, because we don't get a long time for them time here. On 3-4 months or on 2 months, good. But we know so we don't have to even wear a sweater. But that's just 2 months out of a year. We don't have to put on a sweater, we just can just come through with a t-shirt and walk like you see me, you know, stick the sun and pop back through them people. Go pack back through a little bit. You know me good. I see it. But it's like a circle I go around and I go over this side, you know, my people. For sure no. Over there so stay and take on the street, see and way. You see it. I'm walking in the bush. Yes man. I don't know what the red flag mean, you know. I think danger or no swimming when you see red flags. Yeah. I think the water is not safe enough to swim in. So sometimes they put up the flags them. When a green flag, you know, say yeah, people can't swim in it. When a red flag, it's dirty, poisonous. Yeah man. I'm always say it on the news. Oh, this park is open up for swimming and this park is not yet, and so I don't know how they test the water if you know. Say you know for swim or if you swim. But they know them are the it. But yeah man, my people, just go and like the video, share the video. Just put out this video straight like this, my people. Like I say, it's a Bluffs tour of the parks. And I hope I just the home you know my people, and I say today look nice, so go do have one video in a too hot, sun out, so I can't get it done. I was gonna make a different video about something else. I'm saying, you know what, I keep the topic them for next week, yeah man. Put up some more topic video for next week and boil up the YouTube. Make them YouTube comment people cuss me out like they always do. Like one message just now, I say, oh, you're not even live in Jamaica and you come talk about Jamaica. So your uncle dead at Clarendon. You think Clarendon is the worst place? Like people not dead everywhere. Yes, people dead everywhere and people. But this is my opinion on Clarendon and how I feel about it and the situation that went down. You understand my people? So don't bash me like me not go through it. Or you know live in Jamaica. Like, people I spent 6 months in Jamaica a couple months ago. So what the person they talk about? You understand? I say go back and watch all of my videos them brother. So you know where me I come from. I'm bringing up these topics. I mean bring up topics what me want to talk about. You understand? You don't have to watch a video. You don't have to comment. You don't have to do nothing. You don't have to subscribe. Like me say, I do my videos them for the topics them that I want to talk about. You understand? Look on the one I do with Jamaican people getting married for the wrong reason, or please don't marry for the wrong reasons, for your green card or your green card or your PR card. Because PR card them called to Canada. Right? And some people take on to the video and some people don't. You understand? But it's a topic that I want to talk about. You understand? So if you don't want to watch the video, I can't stop you, and if you want to comment bad, I can just delete your comment, but I'm not going to. Because I want other people to see the stupidness I'm on the right. You understand? But yeah man, the people, sun come up, but look how that's so nice and thing my people. Let's say Toronto have some nice place, you know. I'm gonna bring in some waterfalls to you know my people, yeah man. See, look, people, nice with nature. You understand? Yes, man. You see, a lot of people just come here with them families and just chill out and call it a day, you know. People, the party spot me, you want to walk, go now, you know. And the water come in for me and block it off. Because I don't try to come over this, so go over this, so. But the water come in for me, so. I still see I can walk through it still. What are them things I'm like, you know, my people? When I'm there at Jamaica, I'm going to be doing the same thing on the 876 side of the channel, you understand? Go to different parks, show off pretty how Jamaica is too. See, I'm like, I live over here, I show off how nice over here so is too. Yes, Canada come with the bad too. Jamaica come with the bad too. Every country probably come with their bads and goods. You know? So, I'm now going to bring down one and put up the other. See the people. And me now walk through this, you know. Me sorry, because I don't like my ass. See them green thing there? You can't get me in no water with that. So I'm not even like go river go swimming now. Unless me know the water and I have none of them things there. Nah lie to you. I don't know if me alone eat my ass, you know, my people. But me hate it. Hate it. Hate seaweed. Hate my ass. Make me see I got Elsha. I me see be a seaweed. I'm not swimming. Buy 2 fish and kick back. I'm not swimming. That's why I always talk about Ochi and 7 Mile Beach. Because me no see no seaweed. You know them part there. I not talk over Margaritaville, over this will be a seaweed now. Water too. So. But me hate seaweed there, man, my people. My people just want to go and take in the view. Like me say, it's a walk by. And we just sure the area. I want to walk over the next side too and show no over this, so, you know. I don't walk go back over this, so, but to me just go walk over the car and show no, because nothing really over this so still. Because the next side look a bit better with a bigger open space and a bigger beach. But I'm going to see if they have the fishing thing open and I can show you. I think they might block it off, you know. Yeah, that used to be a trail. See, I can walk over this still. And show you. People, thanks again for everybody who been subscribing and liking up the channel. Like I said, this channel is versatile, you know, my people. Because the name, what, 416 to 876 Jamaica. So over this, I look now, my people. It was like a fish sanctuary. But I think we can't even go over there. I think when the snowstorm come and the rainstorm and anything there, it mess it up. And them nobody try to fix it. All of my bird lovers them there. So I would love there. Yeah, man. So the place look nice, man, people. Beautiful. You know? That is it, man. You can come to the park like me, some people. Come enjoy it with your family. More time you walk come down here by myself. Come enjoy it. You don't need people to enjoy outdoor life with me. Come by myself, my people. Oh, some people are on it though. I want to know if I could walk here to show you guys over there. See? A couple of people catching fish over there. So hopefully I could walk down here. I think it's open, my people. I think so. So I can get the full experience. Yes. Of the park, my people. See them over here, so now I catch fish. And they make it over here rustic seaweed, you know, my people. You know? See? Danger. No swimming under untreated water. See the water not treated. That's why you see them thing there, people, you can't catch me in that, you know. You cannot catch me in this type of water, yes sir. Watch my people. Like the man there catch a 1 fish. But me not see no fish in the water, yeah. I want to 1 and 2 times. See some bubbles there come up, so probably fish there. But one of them catch no fish. And over here so two people, you have to have your fishing license in Canada to legally catch fishes. Alright? So now just remember that. For now come to Canada and try to catch fish. So yeah man. So the place look man. Oh look, they got a fish. Let me show it on camera people, them get a 1 fish.
Do you want me to like kneel down?
See, them catch a what's that, snakehead?
No,
Or mudfish? Bowhai?
Bullhead.
Okay. People make it get a close up afterwards for him.
Okay, done? Yeah.
Let me get a close up of him. Quick time. And you say it's called a bowhai?
Bullhead.
Bowhead?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys gonna eat him?
No. We want to get to that grandpa over there.
So I think they're gonna give the fish to the grandpa over there. So him can't eat him. Nah, I eat no fish out of this, you know, my people. You're mad. But yes, people, at least I can walk and show them around here. That's good. And I get an exclusive jungle man tour. I think I should call this type of video jungle man tour walk by in Canada. That's it, my people. But right, yes, my people. So over here in this mountain part now, what was his name? Can't remember his name. But a lot of movies shoot over this mountain area. Can go back and watch Austin Power. I think it was the gold mine. I think one after that with Beyonce or Mariah Carey night, one of them. Right? Yes, my people can't walk go straight out, you know. But man, it's muddy though, people. It's a muddy track. But I do it phone, you know. See it? I do it phone, but the side they look less muddy than this side there. Walk over there. Yeah, man. Yeah, walk through the same way, my people. Going on a full exclusive Bluffs walk out, walk by tour, you know. Go over the beach side next and go on our next tour over this. So the video might be long though, people. Can walk around the beach too, you know. But I walk around the next beach and show you over there because I don't show you how it looks already on the angle there. Yeah, man, people. So these are the Bluffs walk by tour for everybody who left Jamaica and are ready for come back and just want to see who left Scarborough. Canada. I never see this place or this have to be people over. It's so cool, people. From the water where I come out, you have to feel cool and chilly. Yeah, man. So we have to walk back out. Probably can walk go to the marine part too, you know. Go and look a shot over this too. I'm just thinking just go around the beach part. I'm gonna tour around the beach right now. Right, as you know, people, not too much to show. So now I catch my back on the beach side. I go on our next tour over this. So people, go and like and share the content and bless up to everybody who stays so far for watch it out. Cool. Yes, my people, so right now we're on the next side of the Bluffers Park. This side now, my people, I wish part. The boats them come in where you can dock your boats them, your ski bike them. Summertime a lot of money buy up them ski bikes and rent them out. You know, good business that nice summertime. If you can afford ski bikes. Now Mr. People, a lot of people just come around here for just chill out. If you enjoy the local summertime. You understand? Check it out, you know. Ski bikes them now, people. Watch it, looks. You know. Body them just come out. Enjoy themselves, my people. See, this is a Jamaican couple who just passed. I play some bougie bantan. You're rich, yo. You never know, so life hard. You see what people, I always tell people, you know. Don't come to the country and don't try to get stuff out of life and throw stone upon Jamaica. You understand? Because Jamaica is paradise. Jamaica is home to the Jamaicans. You understand? Me now say Jamaica is home to the other people. Canada, if you're born in Canada, Canada is paradise to you. If you're born in Africa, Africa is paradise to you. Jamaicans, if you're born in Jamaica, that's our paradise because we born there. So we know about there. It's two totally different type of concept. You understand? We're in Canada right now. And I call Canada. Canada have some beautiful places where we need to start taking on. Yeah, man. When we finish up the dream house in Jamaica, I try to buy one of them van life type of thing. I make a van life video. You know. Try to do a van life video. I'm just touring Canada, showing you guys Canada. So I could old boat right there, so now my people. I can you. Nice look one there. Yeah, man, my people. You know. Let me say me there the boat docking area now. And there's a lot of stuff. I'm going to go around to that last boat and then go around to the beach side. We're showing the fake beach where we have to swim in. But then we as them say I will see that. Yeah, man. And say I will Elsha that. So I go over Elsha in Canada. I understand about two parts them have like that, you know. Them have a next place called Woodbine Beach. If you want a tour of Woodbine Beach too, people, just let me know in the comment section. Go over Woodbine Beach and get to know a view over there. So also, like me say, I try to go majority of them, you know. But the people in the comment section have to make me know which part and which part want to see. Alright. See, this one used to park over there. But think them push them out of the way. And this is an older one now. I don't want to do a photo shoot on it before. But now that can't happen. Around there so it's the same thing, so it don't make no sense to walk around here. So. But this is the docking area for the bluff. So if anybody come over here and have a boat, you can bring on a boat and stuff. I think around the next area, they have a lighthouse also, but it's out of commission, right? So yeah, look at you, have fun. You see my people. Like I say, if you're born here, this place is for you. You understand? Only for my bridge name. Me tell them, so you invest at Jamaica. Me can't tell somebody to invest at Jamaica when they never born there. Their parents born there. You understand? So it's kind of hard. So it's like people are trying to convert you for say, if you go to Africa for buy land and go live in Africa, or I go to America. Only place in America me that live in them people, I don't tell them already in Miami, you know. Because I call that local Jamaica. Yeah man, Miami. And if I'm not Miami, I California. Because I love California or down at Texas. Down at the Mexican borders like Laredo. Because I drive tractor trailer over them places I'm regular, you know. Yeah man, my people. As I enjoy the view. But people, we're going to end this part right here. We're going to go around to the beach area. Show you guys around there. And I'll close off the vlog. People, remember, you know, please like, share, subscribe. Yes, my people, I almost forgot about this part of the bluffs. So this part of the bluffs, you can buy your hot dogs and turn the camera around. See? Welcome to Bluffers Park Marina. Okay? So that's where this place is called. But this part now, let me show you around here. You can come, there's a Bluffers restaurant also. So people, I forgot about this area, man. I forgot about this part to show you people. Let's see, I have to go down. Let me go up first. Show you guys on the top. So people, I'm giving you guys an exclusive tour of this park right now. See, again, wish they could I just develop Elsha or even some part in a port more like this, you know. There's a place in Dominican Republic, my people. Now night time, even daytime, the entire coastline is a bar. See how Elsha is? Them have them a bar? No. I talk lounge type of bar type of areas. So like them nice lounge over there, so much can go in there. So let me ask them, my people. But see, them have boat houses and stuff here too. So a lot of people live here in the winter time with their boat houses. You know, people live life over here. You know, I just true. If me want to live life like this, too, you know, my people. I just do we have to think about home first, right? I have to think about my yard first. I have to think about Jamaica first. If you build up something over there, so then we can say, yo, I make a proper investment over here, so. You understand? Not throwing a stone from where me come from, you know. Never that. I mean, not throwing a stone from the people in place to come from them country almost 20 years now. Me live here, so. You understand, my people? So, let me see if I can go down. But if I go down there, so nothing really there, so. But I have to try to come through right here. See if I could do a exclusive tour. But I think it's close, see? I close my people. I need a pin code and thing. If we go through the area there. But nevertheless, my people, we'll go over to the next side, the beach side now, and get upon this nice little porch right to some people. Jaja God, man. You know? Nice little porch. Nice. You know? Look at that Scarborough. Sheesh. Be a rich people live around here, my people. Be a rich people. Big fat SUV there. Lord of God. Father. So, yeah man, my people. We're going to close off right here, so right now. Then we're gonna see you on the beach side. You understand? I'm just finish up this vlog video cause like I said, I get long, but you don't know, so we're gonna do the vlog then from now on. See me, you know. People like me again, you know. 416-876 boss, you know, my people. That is it. People, the rain are come, but I want to just get this last beach shot for you guys. But the rain is on me. But I'm going to show you the beach side. This is what they call our beach. And remember, you know, people, remember me that talk about the quality of the water before? Alright, look what me that talk about. You see? You have to call and figure out if the beach quality is perfect enough for swimming. You see what I show you now, people? So, yeah, man, my people, this give me enjoyment for come and shoot them video here. Now, I see my people, I'm out there, I sell 2 coconut. On the beach side, nice white sun, my people. You see that? Like me tell you now, my people. Summertime, you just come out here, so netball, volleyball, whatever. You come out and just come enjoy yourself. This is our Elsha. But see me that I wish if them could do over here, some people put up beer outdoor lounges for summertime on here because people don't want to be inside. And I summer over here, my people. Everybody love outside. In the summertime over here, so in Canada, remember me tell you that. Every day I find somebody at the beach. Me not lie. See some girls all over here, so. Some people all over here, so. Them just relax themselves. Right now, me not even dress appropriate. Now some nice clothes and stuff, see. I have all them jelly water here. Still a vibe. Yes, man, my people. So you don't know. I'm go up at the water spot. Show you over this, so look. And then I probably finish up the vlog. Because the rain has come down. I'm going to show you. You understand? So people are saying there's like a Elsha, you know. Our Elsha, this is my people. We have Woodbine Beach too. We look a bit different. So Woodbine Beach are more like, I don't know, but I'm going to go over there and show you it looks same way. But yeah, man, people see water the same way. But like me say, up front nice, you know. But when you go in it, the mercury and the morass and thing is in there, people. I mean, I like that. You see them all pull out the sweet seaweed them. But yeah, man, people see the rain. I come down for right now. But you see everybody out here enjoy themselves, my people. And I have fun right now, my people. Nobody's stopping them. Everybody just out here, all rain I come down. You can come with your tents and everything. You know? Man, I drink them beer, them and everything right so. So everybody just have fun, my people. And have fun we come for have. Summertime, my people, like me say, nothing will be Toronto. Now summertime. I don't think a long time in Jamaica summertime do, you know, but I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I need for do Jamaica summertime. Because there's so much here for do. Like me say, my people, if I know I come down to jerk some chicken, grill some fish out here so see them here. Make me know, you see it. Some people over there, so some Jamaican, I go over there, but two rain come. I'm not like really like the shirt I'm in, too tight up on me. So just I go leave it alone. But a lot of people leave right now because of the rain, my people. So I just go drive back up and end off the vlog soon because the rain come down. Can't make the camera get wet up. You understand, my people? Somebody call me, people. Hold on there. Who this man? Everest windows and doors. 1 second, my people. People, somebody call me for a job, you know, like me tell you, so I'm going to make a vlog on that. So I have to go back to my trucking lifestyle. So when I come down to the part of the vlog, I go see this part. But yeah, like me say, my job is on strike. So I have to go find something else. Finish dream house in Jamaica, my people. But the dream house I forget done, you know, my people. And no matter what, I forget done. But you don't know. I'm looking for an out there, so the coconut I'm pack up too. Because the rain come down pan way. So you know what? Just I go leave. But I like the vibe down here, so more time I come down here so again. I don't do nothing. And just bring my laptop and come edit. You understand? Yeah, man, my people. So please, everybody, thanks again for watching this vlog. Please just like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want me to see more of these content, just let me know. Comment below And bless upon yourself. Bless up here. Alright. I'm just bless upon yourself, you know, my people. I don't know, I see the enjoyment, you know what I mean? See the vibe. So we have to go on, people. Can't be negative, you have to be happy. You understand, my people? So people, again, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. This was the Bluffers Park walk through on the beach side. Alright, I'm out.